Good morning, guys. It's 8 to know what's up, you guys. It's going on Sport. What you guys been doing? For questions, anything to say? Well, right now, you guys, we're just hanging out. I'm getting things ready for my new job today, which is exciting. I start today, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. I'm good to start today, which is not bad, which is really good that we get to start today. I'm really excited. Just making sure I have everything. Yep. And then pretty soon I'm gonna go. Today we are gonna have fun and exciting. Oh, my shirt's backwards. Let's see. My shirt's backwards, so once again I'm changing.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Today, just pick up some snacks, good snacks. Let's eat applesauce. One pudding, one apple yogurt, two yogurt, one applesauce. I'm gonna try to keep this as nice as much as I can. I only have 15. Do a foot roll up, and let's do finish these up. Brownies up. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna have for a snack, guys. Because I only have 15 minutes today. So I'm only working short time today, which is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So, and then I'm gonna pack of water in case I get thirsty on the floor or anything like that. I have some stuff. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to pack it. So I'll throw this cup away because I don't need this cup anymore. Because I'm done. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just heading out to my new job. So it's going to be fun and exciting. I'm just making sure I have everything. I don't have my wallet. Which I'm going to find. It's upstairs on the right. So. And I've got the paperwork, so I'm just gonna head out to my job. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I just I'm at my job, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Look.
Hey guys, so I am up and I have to work, so yeah. Welcome to today. Make it wonderful, y'all. That's all I have to say. Gareth's channel. But yeah, I gotta work, and then I have a staff meeting, and then that's basically it, and then I'm probably gonna go home, and then I'm going to probably, talk to Gareth.
Hey guys, I just got home, so I'm just gonna be back in my vehicle, so that's what I'm doing, so I'll talk to you guys when I have everything set up.
Hey guys. I got home, and I'm tired, so I have pajamas on, and so I'm gonna edit some stuff from my channel and send this stuff to Gareth. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I also am eating pizza.
So right now you guys, we are going on a road trip to find some skids. Yes, that's what I'm doing, so I'll talk to you guys when I get some skids done. Hey guys, right now you guys, we are making some shepherd's pie. I looked at the skids, they are not that decent looking. Like I could not do it, what I was gonna plan on doing with the skids. So I might just forget about it. I might do something else. I might think of my my brain's working. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I will talk to you guys when I'm done making shepherd's pie. I'm making shepherd's pie. So there's the shepherd's pie. It looks so good. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are going to be eating. I'm going to be brainstorming some ideas for YouTube. Yeah, with Rachel. So we are coming up with some ideas. So that's the plan. Let's see what Rachel has planned for her videos too, because she's making YouTube videos lately. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. That'd be awesome. If you guys do, that'd be awesome. So what so far I have is couple challenge, not my hand challenge, couple step thickly challenge, blindfolded makeup challenge, react to something which I don't know what I'm gonna do in October, pumpkin combination. Pardon? Okay.
You do a spooky. Try not to get scared.
We could do like that. That's why I put something reacting. And then conjoined challenge in November. And then gingerbread house challenge in December 25th. And then the 29th we can both do the what I got for Christmas. Because that will give us time to film that. Because 25th, I don't know if I'm going to get Christmas presents that time frame. And I need to post a video that day. So I'm going to do gingerbread challenge with you.
Okay.
So that's the plan that we're going to do so far. Unless if we change it around.
Fun? My stuff? Is it written out?
Mine's actually typed out.
Okay. You want to either copy and paste that to me so I can put it in my calendar, or print off a copy for me so I can put it into my calendar.
Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And we are planning a lot of videos lately. So, make sure you guys subscribe to Rachel and me on her channel. So, I'm going to be posting the link in this corner right over there. So, make sure you guys subscribe to her channel. That'd be awesome if you guys do that. That'd be really cool. So, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!